What's up, LJ here. If a law enforcement officer stops you and gives you verbal commands, chances are there's a legitimate reason within the scope of his or her duties to justify that stop. A lot of times there's intel that's collected to support such a stop. And just because you don't understand or don't want to understand or think the police don't know what you did, don't mean you're innocent or even that you can act innocent and just ignore the commands. If a law enforcement officer stops you or gives you verbal commands or chase you or fight with you or even draw a weapon on you, they've committed to that encounter and they're not just going to let you go. People get so caught up in the police brutality hype that they just forget that they committed a crime. And somehow that's not important no more. All they focus on is the use of force that's used on them at that moment.
Stop. Get out of the car. 115 Hefner, he's running. He just fell. Get on the ground. I'm going to tase you now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Raise your hands. Man, don't fuck yourself. Man. He's got my taser now. He's trying to tase us.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna get shot.
I'm trying to show me.
Let go of it. You're gonna get shot. Get down.
Like you did. I didn't do.
He's got a weapon.
No, I don't. I didn't do. I didn't do nothing.
You're getting ready to get shot.
Listen.
Listen.
Show me.
Get down on the ground.
No.
Get on the ground.
Record it.
Get on the ground.
Record.
Get on the ground.
Record. Let go of the taser.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Tell me why you stopped me.
Get on the ground.
Tell me why you stopped me.
Get on the ground.
Tell me why you stopped me.
Get on the ground.
No. You stopped me for no reason. Come on, then, work for me.
Get on the ground. Come on.
I didn't do They trying to do this for no reason.
We need units code 3. Lows. Get on the ground.
Man, I'm not going to jail because I didn't do and y'all beat my ass.
Look, you're going to jail regardless of what you're doing.
They beat my ass for no reason.
Get on the ground.
Stop. I'm trying to help you out.
Man.
Get on the ground.
All right, let me put my pants up.
No.
My ass and shit is all there. Hold on.
Get on the ground. We're in the median next to Lowe's. Oh, those cars are stopped. Stop.
When that officer told him to stop, that was a lawful command. He wasn't asking.
All right.
It's funny how he tried to run from the police and then when he got caught, he wanted to immediately give up. All right. So now you just expect for the police to just stop and be nice to you.
You got my taser now.
When he managed to take away the officer's taser, of course the next weapon the officer's gonna use is his gun. So why in the hell would he put himself in that position?
Record.
Get on the ground.
Even the witnesses was trying to convince him to cooperate. But he more worried about the witnesses recording the incident like the officers are in the wrong.
Get on the ground.
Tell me why you stopped me.
Really? That's what you're concerned about right now? At this point? The sad thing is, after watching this video, some people are going to be like, why don't he just stop and do what the police say? And then other people are going to be like, oh, that ain't right. Look how they doing them. Look how they treating them. If you see that a law enforcement officer has committed to an encounter with you, it's over. At that point, your best bet is to just comply. And if necessary, later hire an attorney and take your chances in court. But standing there trying to argue or even fight the law enforcement officer is always going to end bad for you.